Welcome to BIOTEK, Asia's first sports medicine or arthroscopic implant manufacturer. Today is a sprawling sports medicine device producing company of around 43,000 square feet area in the industrial city of Ahmedabad, India. BIOTEK has a track record of bringing innovative new products to market that provide better clinical outcomes for patients and saves costs. BIOTEK serves the exacting and highly specialized requirements of the medical implant industry. Its design and manufacturing standards for precision implant manufacturing are among the highest in India. We have a solid background of designs, materials, tolerances and the quality demands of the orthopedic industry. CAD operators using advanced software transform concepts into final designs and manufacturing drawings. Our skilled machinists work in-house with the best equipment available. When required, we work with local and international testing labs to ensure specification, safety and efficacy of products. Let's have a look at our standard manufacturing process. We have separate man and material movement plan in the factory as per FDA regulations. All the incoming material undergoes stringent inspection procedures before it is issued for further processing. BIOTEK has invested on industry's most high-end CNC machines for the maximum possible precision results. Most of the processes like milling, turning, drilling, wire cut, plastic machining and molding are done in-house on Japanese-make machines. In finishing area, we have Rossler glass bead blasting machine, OTEK auto buffing machine, Elma ultrasonic cleaning machines, Elma steam jet machine, titanium anodizing and electro-polishing processes are carried out on German-made machines. Surface passivation capabilities of BIOTEK are one of the highest in the Indian industry. Laser mark identification is carried out for precise traceability of the products. BIOTEK has installed a state-of-the-art clean room facility as per international standard ISO 10000. Man movement passes through air shower. Dynamic pass boxes are used for inward and outward movement of material. BIOTEK claims to be one of the few Indian orthopedic companies with in-house sterilization facility. Completely automatic self-validatable machines are used for the sterilization procedures. Labeling and secondary packaging is carried out in highly controlled environment. BIOTEK has world-class manufacturing facilities and procedures in place that are at par with any other competitor globally. Stringent quality checks and measures are followed to ensure consistent quality of final products. Environment-friendly organization, we see to it that our company uses non-hazardous material and follows all the required safety norms. Most competent and committed team of 70 proficient professionals. BIOTEK is marching ahead promptly and powerfully.